there! If you are dealing with annoying echo noise during calls on your iPhone, don't worry, it's a common issue, but luckily, there are several ways to tackle it. Let's dive into these easy fixes and get your calls sounding clear again. Solution 1. Enable voice isolation. Try making a call on your iPhone. Then open the dialer app. Next, enter 123 as a sample number. After the call connects, swipe down to access the control center. Tap the microphone and location icons, which are labeled In-Call Service and System Service. Select Voice Isolation. After that, restart your iPhone and check if the echo issue is resolved. Solution 2. Check for iOS update. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and select General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your iPhone. Check if the echo noise issue is resolved after the update. Solution 3. Open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap General. Next, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Then tap Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. This will reset your settings to their defaults without deleting your data. Check if the echo noise problem is fixed during calls. And that's it! These steps should help clear up any echo noise issues you're having with your iPhone. If you've got any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.